Let's continue with Pure Mastery, October November 2024, Variant 2, question number 8 to question number 11. So let's go to question number 8. The parametric equation of a curve are given as this: x equal to in terms of tangent square 2t and cos. Okay, so show that dy dx equal to 1 over 2 cos cube 1 2t. Okay, so first we find the dx dt. So dx over dt. So for this, you can use chain rule if you want, or you can use straight away. So normally I will just directly differentiate. So how I differentiate is actually first I will differentiate the power. So when I differentiate the power here, it's going to be 2 tangent 2t multiply, and then I will differentiate the tangent. So if you differentiate tangent, you will get secant square 2t multiply. I differentiate inside here, I differentiate 2t, I will get 2. So it's going to be for tangent 2t secant square 2t. But when I see over here, it's something like only cos. So maybe I'll try to change first. Let's see. So so tangent will be sine 2t over cos 2t multiply 1 over cos 2t, cos square 2t. So in short, it's going to be 4 sine 2t over cos cube 2t. Okay, then we differentiate the y. So dx over dt, I'm sorry. So dy over dt. So I differentiate cos, I will get negative sine 2t multiplied with 2. So it's going to be negative 2 sine 2t. Okay, by using chain rule, I need to find dy over dx. So normally how I will do is to do the chain rule. The top one, which is dy, I just write here dy, divide, leave it empty, multiply. The denominator, which is dx, you write here. Dx. So the common term for x and y is t, which is dt. dt, dt. So it's going to be dy dt, which is negative 2 sine 2t multiply dt over dx. This one just now is dx over dt. Just now is dx over dt. So from here, dt over dx is equal to 1 over of the from equation here. 1 over of this will be cos cube 2t over 4 sine 2t. So we sub here. So it's going to be cos cube 2t over 4 sine 2t. So you can cancel this. So will be 1 over 2 negative cos cube 2t. Okay, it's justified. Okay. Okay, now, so we move on to the 8b. Hence, find the equation of a normal to the curve at a point t equal to 1 over 8 pi. So if I want to find the equation of a normal, there are three things I need, which is x coordinate, y coordinate, and also dy dx. So I find the x coordinate first. So x is equivalent to, it's going to be tangent square 2t. So tangent square 2t, so will be tangent 2 times 1 over 8 pi square. So you can press your calculator, you will get x equal to 1, and for y is cos 2t, so will be cos 2t is 1 over 4 pi. So my y will be, can press your calculator, will be 2 over 2. Okay, therefore just now my dy dx, so dy over dx will be negative 1 over 2. So cos cube 2t, I can write cos 2t power of 3. Okay, so it's going to be negative 1 over 2 cos 2t. So 2 times 1 over 8 will be 1 over 4 pi cube. So you can press calculator, you will get 2 over 8, negative over 8. And this will be the gradient of tangent. Therefore, negative 2 over 8 multiply the gradient of a normal will be negative 1. Therefore, gradient of normal will be 8 over 2, where you will get 2 for 2. Okay. So equation for normal will be y equal to 4 sert 2x plus c. So here we have my x and y already. So when x equal to 1, y equal to sert 2 over 2. So sert 2 over 2 equal to 4 sert 2 plus c. Therefore my c will be negative 7 over 2 sert 2. Therefore, the equation of a normal will be y equivalent to 4 sert 2x minus 7 sert 2 over 2. Okay. Question number 9. With respect to origin, A, B, C is a position vector is this. The point D, A, B, C, D is a trapezium such that BA, DC and equal to 3BA. So since they said trapezium, so I just draw a basic trapezium. Oops. Okay, approximately A, B, C, D. Okay, so they already give you A, B, C. Now I need D. So it's given that DC equal to 3AB. So in order to find C, so let's say I just make it my position vector of D. I can make it as X, Y, and Z. Okay, therefore my DC my DC is equal to DO plus OC. So DO will be negative X, negative Y, negative Z, plus OC is negative 3, negative 2, 2. So which is going to be negative X minus 3, negative Y minus 2, negative Z plus 2. This is my DC. And for my AB will be AO plus OB, which is going to be AO will be negative 2, negative 1, 3 plus OB 0, 4, 1. So it's going to be negative 2 plus 0 is negative 2, 3, 4. Okay. Oops, I don't have enough space. Okay. Just continue here. So it's going to be my DC equal to 3AB, so which is going to be negative X minus 3, negative Y minus 2, negative Z plus 2 is equivalent to 3, negative 2, 3, 4. Okay, so which is going to be, so since they are equal, so I can just write X, negative X minus 3 equal to 3 times negative 2 is negative 6. Therefore, X is equivalent to negative 3, 3. Okay, so negative Y minus 2 equal to 3 times 3 is 9. So Y equal to 11, negative 11. Okay, and then negative Z plus 2 is equivalent to 12. Therefore, my z equal to negative 10. Okay, so my coordinate d or position vector of OD will be x just now is 3, negative 11, negative 10. 3, negative 11, negative 10. Okay. Okay, the diagonal of trapezium intersect at point P. Find the position vector of P. So since the question here mentioned they intersect the diagonals, so this will be my point P. So this is my point P. Okay. So for this, what I'm going to do is actually I'm going to find the equation of AC and then the equation of BD, and then I will find the intersection point. So okay. So equation of so for this, we're going to find the equation of AC first. So for AC, so you find the vector direction of AC will be AO plus OC. It's going to be AO negative 2, negative 1, 3. So negative 2, negative 1, 3 plus OC will be negative 3, negative 2, 2. Negative 3, negative 2, 2. Correct? Yeah. So it's going to be negative 5, negative 3, 5. Okay. And also I'm going to find the equation of AC. So I just put LAC is going to be, you can take any coordinate, you can take C or A, it doesn't matter. So I just take negative 3, negative 2, 2 plus lambda vector direction negative 5, negative 3, 5. Okay, similarly, I want to find the vector direction for BD. Okay, so BD will be BO plus OD. So BO, so OB is 0 for 1. So 0, negative 4, negative 1. And OD, I just now found here, which is 3, 11, negative 3, negative 11, negative 10. Therefore, the vector direction will be 3, negative 15, negative 11. Okay, so this is the vector direction of BD. Therefore, line BD will be 0 for 1 plus mu 3, negative 15, negative 11. Okay, so I want to find the point of intersection. So in order to find the point of intersection, I need to find the lambda and mu. So if the 2 points are intersecting, something like this, so these 2 points are intersecting, so my x coordinate, my first line, and the x coordinate of second line must be same. So from here I can say x1 is equal to x2. Similarly, y1 is equal to y2. So I can use two equations to solve. So it means it's going to be negative 3 minus 5 lambda equivalent to 3 mu. Therefore, 5 lambda plus 3 mu is equal to negative 3. It's going to be my first equation. Okay. And then my second equation is going to be y coordinate. So negative 2 minus 3 lambda is equivalent to 4 minus 15 mu. So if you rewrite, it's going to be 3 lambda minus 15 mu is going to be negative 4, negative 2, negative 6. Okay. So if you solve this simultaneous equation, equation number 1 and equation number 2, so you'll get my lambda is equal to negative 3 over 4 and mu equal to 1 over 4. Okay, so you can use either one, either 3 over 4 or 1 over 4 to substitute and get the answer. So it's going to be my coordinate P is P, right? Yeah, P, position vector of P is going to be negative 3, negative 3 minus 5, negative 3 over 4, negative 2, negative 3. So negative 2 minus negative 3, negative 3 over 4, and 2, 5. 2 plus 5, negative 3 over 4. Okay, so you'll get as 3 over 4, 1 over 4, and negative 7 over 4. So this is your P coordinate. Okay. C, using a scalar product, calculate the angle between A, B, and C. So we go back to the diagram that we draw. So A, B, C. So we are looking for this one. Okay. So here you can choose either vector direction AB, CB or BA, BC, either one. So AB, CB. So we're going to use AB dot CB equal to magnitude AB dot magnitude CB and then cos theta. So AB, I think we already found here. Oh no, it's AC. So there is no AB. Oh, AB again here. So AB I already found here, which is negative 2, 3, 4. So I can directly use here. So my AB is equal to negative 2, 3, and 4. All right. Yeah, negative 2, 3, and 4. So from the part A. And then for CB will be CO plus OB. So which will be CO negative 3, negative 2, 2. So it will be 3, 2, negative 2 plus OB 0 for 1, I guess. Yeah, 0 for 1. Therefore, it's going to be 3 plus 0, 3, 2 plus 4, 6, negative 2 plus 1, negative 1. Okay, so the vector, so it's going to be negative 2, 3, 4 dot 3, 6, negative 1 is equivalent to Z. So if I do this, it's going to be 29 multiply Z. If I do this, 3 square plus 6 square plus 1 square will be 46 cos theta. Okay, so you solve this, so it's going to be negative 2 multiplied with 3 plus 3 multiplied with 6 plus 4 multiplied with negative 1 equal to Z 1334 cos theta. Therefore, this one result negative 8 equal to, sorry, positive 8. It's not negative 8. Positive 8 equivalent to Z 1334 cos theta. So cos theta equal to 8 over Z134. Therefore, theta will be shift cos 8 over Z1334. Therefore, my theta will be 77.3 degree. So make sure if you give your answer in degree, you have this particular symbol, or else it will calculate it as a radian. So you can give your answer in radian as well, so it doesn't matter at all. Okay. Now, next question. Question number 10. A balloon shape of a sphere, volume of r, is air is pumped into the balloon with a constant rate for t pi, starting when time equal to 0 r equal to 0. At the same time, the air begin flow out at the rate of 0.8. So means you pump in 40, okay, you pump in 40 and it go out at 0.8 pi r. Okay, so my dv over dt, because it's going in at a rate, so it's going to be dv over dt. So pump in will be 40 pi, and since it's moving go out, go be 0.8 pi r. Okay, dv over dt is this. Okay, and then volume, the formula for sphere is 4 over 3 pi r cube. You must know this. Okay, so they ask you to find dr over dt. Okay, so we can use this chain rule. So dr over dt is equal to, so dr over multiply dt. So usually whatever is on top numerator I'll put here, and then here make it 0. The denominator I'll put here. Okay, top is 0. So the common value for r and t is actually v. So dv. Okay, so dv dt is already here. So now you find the dr dv. So first we find dv dr. So dv over dr will be 4 pi r square. Therefore, dr over dv will be 1 over 4 pi r square. Okay, so it's going to be 1 over 4 pi r square multiply 40 pi minus 0.8 pi r. So I factorize the 4 pi. So it's going to be 1 over 4 pi r square multiply 4 pi 10 minus 1 over 5 r. So you can cancel the 4 pi. So you simplify this, so you will get 50 minus 5r over r square. Okay, and find the quotient and remainder when 5r is divided by 50 minus r. So I will prefer to do long division, or even you can do the comparing the coefficient method if you want. So I will show you the long division, which is more simple for me. So it's going to be 5r square divided by 50 minus r, or I can rewrite this as negative r plus 50. Okay, so it's going to be multiplied with 5 negative 5r, so it will be negative 5r square minus, sorry, positive, minus 250r, minus will be 250r. So minus 250, so will be 250r minus 12500. Therefore will be minus will be 12500. Therefore the quotient is negative 5r minus 250, and remainder equal to 12500. Okay, so this one you can rewrite as, so 5r square divided by 50 minus r is equivalent to, you can rewrite that 12500 over 50 minus r minus 5r minus 250. Okay, you can rewrite as this form. Okay, so which will be helpful for the next question, I guess. Okay, solve the differential equation in part A, obtaining expression t in term of r. So means just now we have my dr dt. So it's given as dr over dt is equivalent to 50 minus r over 5r square. Therefore 5r square over 50 minus r dr equal to dt. Okay. So since we already do partial fraction, so we can just utilize this. So it's going to be 12500 over 50 minus r minus 5r 250. 5r minus 250 dr equal to integral 1 dt. Okay. So it's going to be integrate this, integrate 50 minus r will be negative ln. So negative 12500 ln 50 minus r minus 5r square. If I integrate 5r, you will get 5r square over 2 minus integrate 250, you get 250r equal to integrate this, you get t plus c. So in the question is given just now in the very early, they said when t equivalent to 0, my r is equivalent to 0. So based on this, we can find the c. Okay. So when t equal to 0, my r equal to 0, therefore negative 1 to 5 ln t 0 r 0 ln 50. So this will be 0, 0 and 0 is equivalent to c. Therefore, I can, since the question asked me t in term of r, so I just rewrite. So it's going to be t is equivalent to, so I bring the c over next side, so it's going to be negative 12500 ln 50 minus r minus 5 over 2 r square minus 250 r, so plus 12500 ln 50. Okay. And find the value of t when the balloon is, the radius of this is 12, so you just substitute. So t equivalent to negative 12500 ln 50 minus 12 will be 38 minus 5 over 2, 12 square minus 250, 12 plus 12500 ln 50. So you will get t is equivalent to 70.5 seconds. Okay. And the last question. Find f prime and hence find the exact coordinate of the stationary point of the curve with the equation y equal to fx. Okay, so first we find the f prime. So here you can see it is a product rule, sorry, quotient rule. So if it is quotient rule, let's say my y equal to u over v, therefore my y prime will be um v u prime minus u v prime over v square. This formula you can get it from the formula booklet, so you can refer there. So it's going to be, I let my u equal to 2e 2x, therefore my u prime will be 4e 2x, where my v is equivalent to e 2x minus 3ex plus 2, therefore my v prime will be 2e 2x minus 3ex. So my f prime x will be vu prime, so vu prime, so 4e 2x e 2x minus 3ex plus 2 minus uv prime, so 2e 2x bracket 2e 2x minus 3ex divided with v square, so which will be e 2x minus 3ex plus 2 square. So you can expand this and simplify. So you expand first, we get 4e 2x minus 12e 3x plus 8e 2x minus 4e 4x plus 6e 3x divided with e to x minus 3x plus 2 square. Okay, so I can cancel off this 4 minus 4, so negative 6 e 3x plus 8 e 2x over e 2x minus 3 x plus 2 square. Okay, so the question asks you to find the coordinate of a stationary point. So at stationary point we know that my dy dx equal to 0 at stationary point my dy over dx equal to 0, which means negative 2 I can factorize e 2x. So 3ex plus, sorry, minus 4 over e2x minus 3ex plus 2 square is equal to 0. So if we want to be 0, so we always as 0. So here we always state the numerator will be 0 because 0 divided with any number is equal to 0. So we always mention this as a 0. Okay, so it's going to be negative 2e2x equal to 0 or 3ex minus 4 equal to 0. Therefore this one we cannot proceed. So ex equal to 4 over 3, therefore x equal to ln 4 over 3. Okay, so my y value is going to be, you substitute here e, so 2e2 ln 4 over 3 divided with e2 ln 4 over 3 minus 3e ln 4 over 3 plus 2. So you will get your y equal to negative 60. Therefore, the stationary point will be ln 4 over 3 and negative 60. Okay, so this is my stationary point. And then part B, use the substitution u equal to e power of x in the partial fraction to find the exact value of this. Okay, so wow, quite long. Okay, so first we do the substitution. So when we also need to change my limit and also my dx. Okay, so in order for my limit, so u equal to e ln 5 is equal to 5. So u equal to e ln 3 equal to 3. Okay, and then my du over dx will be ex. Therefore, dx equal to du over ex. Okay, therefore, I just do here integral ln 3 ln 5 fx dx. So I can substitute back the equations. So my fx is actually 2e2x. Okay, 2e2x over e2x. e2x minus 3ex plus 2 dx. So I can rewrite this as, when x equal to ln 3 is 3, when x equal to 5, so it's going to be 3 to 5, and e2x is equal to ex square. Okay, so it's going to be 2u square over u square minus 3u plus 2 multiply du over, so du over ex, so I can make it u, so you can cancel this. So it's going to be integral 3 5 2u over u square minus 3. So I can factorize this. I can use the factorization. So it's going to be u minus 2 u minus 1 du. So I can use partial fraction for this. So 2u over u minus 2 u minus 1 is going to be a over u minus 2 plus b over u minus 1. So multiply everything. You can multiply everything with u minus 2 u minus 1. So you'll get 2u equal to a u minus 1 plus b u minus 2. Therefore, let u equal to 1. So 2u will be b. So 2 will be negative 1. So b equal to negative 2. So let u equal to 2. So 4 equal to 8. Okay. Therefore, the integral of this I can rewrite as 3 to 5 4 over u minus 2 minus 2 over u minus 1 du, which is going to give me 4 ln u minus 2 minus 2 ln u minus 1. Okay, so 3 to 5. So this one I can factorize 2 ln u minus 2 minus ln u minus 1 3 to 5. So it's going to be 2 ln u minus 2 square over u minus 1. The writing is not clear. Wait. So it's going to be 2 bracket ln u minus 2 square over u minus 1. 3 to 5. So you sub in. So it will be 2 ln, when u equivalent to 5, 5 minus 2 is 3, 3 square is 9, 9 over 5 minus 1 is 4, minus ln 3 minus 2 is 1, 1 over 2. So it will be 2 ln 9 over 2. Okay, or you can give ln 81 over 4. It doesn't matter. So this will be your final answer. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you. If you have any questions or if you need any further explanation, you can comment in the video. So maybe I will help you to explain further on what you're asking. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you.